Have you ever dreamed of living forever? Of defying time itself and escaping the clutches of aging? What if I told you there's a creature in our oceans that may hold the secret to immortality? Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, a tiny marvel of nature that has puzzled scientists and inspired awe worldwide. Let's dive into its mysterious world. Imagine this: a creature no larger than a pinky nail, floating gracefully in the deep blue sea. At first glance, the immortal jellyfish seems like just another delicate marine animal. But its true power lies within, a superpower that rewrites the rules of life itself. Most creatures have a linear life cycle. You're born, you grow old, and eventually you die. That's just the natural order of things. But the immortal jellyfish has a life cycle unlike any other. Here's its story. It begins its life as a tiny larva, known as a planula, which eventually settles on the ocean floor and grows into a stationary polyp, a structure that looks more like a plant than an animal. Then, something magical happens. The polyp gives rise to a free-swimming jellyfish, called a medusa, the form we all recognize. But what happens when life gets tough for this little jellyfish? If it's injured, starving, or nearing the end of its life, it doesn't die. Instead, it performs one of the most astonishing biological feats on Earth. It reverses its life cycle. Through a process called transdifferentiation, the jellyfish transforms its adult cells into younger ones, reverting back to its polyp stage. It's as if a butterfly could turn back into a caterpillar, or a human could revert to being a baby. And this process isn't just a one-time event. In theory, the immortal jellyfish can repeat this cycle indefinitely, effectively making it biologically immortal. But immortality doesn't mean invincibility. In the wild, the jellyfish often falls prey to predators or environmental threats, cutting its life short. Still, its unique ability to cheat death has earned it the title of nature's time traveler. Scientists discovered this extraordinary creature by chance. In the 1980s, a curious marine biology student observed jellyfish in a lab and noticed that they didn't die as expected. Instead, they seem to age in reverse. Since then, researchers around the world have been studying this tiny wonder, hoping to uncover its secrets. But the immortal jellyfish raises profound questions. What if humans could harness this power? Could we unlock the key to slowing down aging or even reversing it? Scientists are now studying how this jellyfish reprograms its cells, and their findings could one day revolutionize medicine, aging research, and even cancer treatment. Of course, nature has always been a source of inspiration for human innovation. Birds taught us to fly. Whales inspired submarines. And now, perhaps the immortal jellyfish will teach us the ultimate lesson: how to rewrite the story of life and death itself. But what does this tiny creature's story teach us about life? In a way, it reminds us of the resilience of nature, the ability to adapt, survive, and thrive even in the face of challenges. While the immortal jellyfish has its extraordinary abilities, we humans have our own unique powers: creativity, curiosity, and the drive to explore the unknown. The next time you think about the vastness of the ocean, remember this: deep beneath the waves, a tiny jellyfish is quietly defying time, reminding us that the mysteries of life are far from solved. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of the immortal jellyfish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. What other amazing creatures or mysteries of nature would you like us to explore? Let us know, and we'll see you in the next adventure.